What's the meaning of cervical? Cervical. Cervical.
Cervical. Cervical. The term cervical refers to anything related to the neck or the narrowest part of the spine that connects the brain to the rest of the body. In medical terminology, cervical can refer specifically to the neck region of the uterus or the 7 vertebrae of the spinal column located in the neck. The cervical spine is critical for supporting the weight and movement of the head, protecting the spinal cord, and facilitating communication between the brain and the rest of the body. Overall, cervical pertains to the neck region and its associated structures in the human body.